Hi, y'all. It's Emily Elizabeth, and I'm here today to talk about fabric because I have this great idea for a costume piece that I'm going to design. And it's, excuse my little anime sketch here, but essentially I got all these beautiful fabrics at the dollar store. Not the dollar store, Valley Village. And I'm going to make this costume over the course of the next 3 months to have for my graduation because I'm graduating from AU Arts in on May 20th, 2020. So I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I mean, like, I love making cool shit. So I want to talk to you about the fabrics that I have. So first, let's start off with pink. So this is a beautiful cotton, maybe silk. I believe it's actually a sari, but or maybe a hijab. I don't know, but it's so beautiful, and I just want to give it a new life. It just came out of the dryer. Always wash your clothes when you buy things from the thrift store, okay? It's very important because you don't want to get bugs and stuff. So this is just a towel that I needed to wash. Next I have this beautiful white, possibly silk. It's actually a curtain, you can tell by the straps there. But it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Once again, got it at Valley Village. Another one I have, this one also has a gold trim. This is only $2. It's another sari or hijab. And it's very beautiful. Beautiful gold trim. Beautiful pastel pink color. Next I have this gray silk. This is also a curtain. Perfect for the tutu aspect of my costume. Next I have this beautiful black. I don't know if I'll use it for this piece. I do have a lot of it. Oh, that's doubled up. It actually has some stripes. So you can see this is just super decadent. That's a scrap. I have a plain black top sheet. So I hate top sheets. I don't use them ever. I have a matching fitted sheet to go on my bed that I will use, but the top sheet I'm going to use for making things. Next I probably won't use it for this project, but this is my curtain. I recently put up my curtain. It's hard to see right now because of the sun, but it's beautiful. So the theme of my Gothic lair is, well, it's called the dungeon, but the color scheme is red, white, and black. The primary color scheme is red, white, and black. And the accent color is gray. No, not gray. Green. Green. Which is really hard to pull off without things looking Christmassy. But I was able to accomplish that through dominant red colors and just little accents of green. And you can see some of my paintings. I have green hair, and then I have plant babies that are green. And so this curtain piece is just super lovely. It's a red with the green shift. And I got some extra of it because I really had to cut it up to figure out my curtain. But yeah, I think I figured it out in a way that works so that I don't forget my plant babies. I don't forget to water them. And I can still show off my cool decor on my windowsill. And yeah, let me take you over there. Yeah, so you see it's a little mismatched, but I'm trying not to let my OCD drive me crazy. Yeah. So that's only a 5-minute video. Wow. You can see here I have some great, this is Halloween mesh fabric that I hung up here. You can see my Baphomet flag right there. I also got this teddy bear. Unfortunately, when I washed him, or when I put him in the dryer rather, his underside stayed really soft, but his top side got a little rough. So I've been kind of like grooming him with this weird fabric shaver I got, hoping to get him back to his original state, but I might have ruined him. Yeah, it does work. I mean, I'm getting some stuff off. Yeah, get some stuff.